Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I'm here to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2021 May-June Web Authoring part of question paper 3.1. So let's move forward. You have been supplied with the following source files. So I have them already, these source files at my desktop. Task 1 is evidence document. So we need to create a new word process document. So I will open Microsoft Word here. And we just need to have the information such as our name, center number, candidate number on every page. So insert a header here. We'll just write my name, then my center number, and my candidate number. That's it. Then I need to save this file as J2131 evidence underscore my center number, candidate number. So I'm just going to save this one as desktop into the same folder and the name as I have mentioned. So I'm just going to change my center number OM032 and then after candidate number as well, and we'll save it as a Word document. Save. So we will need this evidence document later on in the examination. Moving forward to the file management task 2. So you are going to create a web page and style sheet for Bali Holidays Homes. The web page and style sheet must work in any browser. All color codes except those provided in the source files must be in hexadecimal. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. Make your HTML and style sheet as efficient as possible. So you need to create a folder called BHH. So we'll create a folder called BHH, just like that. And next step, we need to locate these files 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 files. So we need to open here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. These are the files. Yes. Copy them from here and paste it into your newly created folder BHH. So just cross check if everything is there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, contact, jungle, logo. Yeah, that's it. Now display the content of your BHH folder, showing the folder name, all file names, file extension, image dimension, and file sizes. So you just need to click here, view, and then click on content. So these are the content with all the information. So you just minimize this one, we don't need it. Just print screen and go to your evidence document and just paste it as evidence 1. So if it is required, just crop it so the details will be clearly visible, just like this. Now all the information is clearly visible, including the folder name. Save this one. Move forward to web page part now. So you need to create in your BHH folder a web page called bhh.htm. So I will open the application Microsoft Expression Web 4 and I am going to create a web page with the name BHH, and I will save this web page into my folder BHH. Desktop, here it is. The web page is created. Let's move forward. The web page must be created using a single table and must work in all browsers. The table must fit 80% of the browser window, and the table must have a structure as shown in this diagram. It should have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So table, insert table, 4 rows, 5 columns, and fit should be 80% of the window size. Done. Table is created. Next step, I'm going to arrange the table in this way as it is. Right click, modify, merge cells. Then these 3 cells need to be merged. Right click, merge cells, and then these 3 need to be merged. Right click, modify, and merge cells. I'm going to call the cells A, B, C, C, D, E, F, and then yes, G, H, I, G, H, I, G. So that's I, then J, A, and L. Yeah. The height of the first cell should be 20%. So just click here, right click, and then cell properties, specify the height in percentage and 20%. You have nothing to do with the with the width. Then after 20% width, 20% height. Just click here, right click, cell properties, and both should be in percentage 20 and 20. Apply, okay. Then for this one also 20, 20, and 20. Yeah, so select them, right click, cell properties, width and height in percentage 20 and 20. Apply, okay. Next step is F should be 20% wide. Right click, cell properties, wide only 20%. Apply, okay. These ones should be left as it is, and then height of this one should be 40%. Right click, cell property, and height 40%. Okay, and this one should be left like this. So we just need to go to the code here to check the code. So the height of each cell and width is already mentioned over there. So we have not to worry about this, and everything should be done as accordingly as I have finished them. Yeah, it should be like this. Now let's move forward to the next part of this question paper. Here they have mentioned Each table cell is identified with the letter edit. Some dimensions are shown. These must be set as percentage value and not pixels. We are done with it. The cell content shown in the diagram must not appear on the final web page. Means this A, B, C should not appear. Table border must not appear on the final web page. Okay. Set the title of the web page to Bali holiday homes homepage. So we need to set this the title. So we just go to the web page and the title we should enter here. That's the title. Next step, set the name of the default target window to self. So you just write here. Yeah, just write here base. That's the base. And then after base target, and that is self, and that's it. Done. Let's move forward to step number 5. Place in cell A image J2131 logo. So this is cell A. Select this one. Insert a picture from file, then desktop BHH folder, and we need to select the file J2131 logo. Alternate text, I am going to call it, for example, logo. Done. Next step is to insert in cell B the image J2131 BHH1. So let's scroll down. Image in cell B, BHH1. Yes, this is the one. And you can say that Bali house 1 or home 1. Home 1, for example. Let's move to cell B. Yeah, B is done. Now in cell C, we need to insert BHH2. Insert picture from file, and that's the one, BHH2. So Bali home 2. Yeah, and now we'll move there to cell D. So to replace cell D, we need to insert an image of BHH3. This is the one. So Bali home 3. And then in cell E, we need to insert the image 4. Yeah. Here it is. Just select this one. Insert a picture BHH4. So Bali home 4. And then in cell F, picture of jungle. So here we have cell F. Cell F you have to select, and image of jungle. That's the one. So jungle. Done. Now let's move forward to the next step. Place inline style attribute into HTML so that each image fit the width of a table cell with its aspect ratio. Fine. So we just need to go to the code. Here we have the about the picture image. So here the width we need to change. So For each of them, the width is 20%. 20%. Or we just need to mention here the 100% width, because it should be completely fitted over there. And then this one also 100, yeah, just 100, yes. So we just need to change this one to the percentage, which is 100%. Or we just need to do one thing. Let's try with this one. Percentage and 100%, if it works. And then this one also 100%. Let's go to the design view now. See how this table look like. Still it is weird and out of scrolling even. So we'll go to the code, and here we are going to change the height or the width of each image. Yeah, so we just need to mention here style equal to, and then width, and the width is equal to, or we just, yeah, width, then full colon and 100%. Let's see how it looked like this time. So the same statement, we just need to copy for each image, and we just need to replace it here. Yeah, just like that. And this image as well, jungle. Yeah, let's go to design now. So this is what they asked us to do, and we did. Even the logo. So for logo, even we need to do the same thing. We need to fix the logo for this as well. So that's the logo image. So inline style, design view now. So this is how it looked like now. It fit into the table itself. Yes. Now let's move forward to the next part of this question paper. Here they have mentioned add appropriate text. We have already done this one. Appropriate size of each one, and then after place in cell G the text compact. So in cell G we need to write the text compact. Yeah. So here we go. Compact. Then in cell H larger. H is larger. Then secluded in cell I, and then after we have with a view in cell J. Done. Now this all must be heading style H2. So we select this one and change this one to heading style H2. Move forward, place in cell K the contents of the file J2131 text.txt in cell K. So we need to move to cell K now. Here it is. So we need to go to the files. Here is the text file. Select this all by using Ctrl A, then copy it by Ctrl C. Close this file and just paste it over there, Ctrl V. And then after, we need to apply to it paragraph style. So paragraph style is already applied. If not, then select this whole paragraph, whatever they said, and then change from here to paragraph style. Step number 10. Enter in cell L the text last edited on. So we move to cell L. So here is cell L, last edited on. And then after, on a new line below this, place your name, center number, candidate number. So we'll just write our last edited on a new line below this. Okay. Here, our name, center number, candidate number, and then after a new line also enter the text contact BHH and apply style 3 H3. Yes, we select this one and we'll apply H3. Next step is create a hyperlink from the text contact BHH to open the web page J2131 contact.html in a new browser window called _blank. So we need to make this one as a hyperlink. Select this one, insert hyperlink to an existing web page, and target frame is new and then it is blank. Done. And then they said attach the style sheet J2131 BHH style sheet CSS to this web page. Fine. So we'll click on format, then style sheet, and then attach style sheet, browse, and this is our style sheet. Just attach and done. The style sheet is attached. To the web page. So this is how it look like now. Till now everything is just arranged in this way. Yeah. Just cross check if everything is perfectly arranged. Yeah, and we'll just save this web page till here. Okay, so one thing you have to take care, like as you can see here, the width of the images that we have already fixed, but not the height. So you just need to go to the code here, and for each image there is height also. So we don't need any height for any of these images. So height you just remove it, the image is height only, just like that. And now we'll just remove this one as well, so there is no content written. And let's go to the logo of image as well. There is a height, so remove this one. We don't need any height for any image. Let's go to design view now, and let's see how it look like. That's the image, and that's the content here right now with us. I think so. Now the table is arranged properly. After attaching the style sheet in step number 12, you need to open and edit the style sheet J2131bhs.css to meet the following specifications. So set the background of the web page so that it has a color with this component. Fine. We'll go here, and this is our style sheet. So just double click here or right click, go to the code. As the style sheet is already attached, we need to change the background color for our web page. So for a web page, we just need to write here, down. We just need to go to format, new style, and that new style is body, and then after background, and the color code that we have to write, according to them they said blue, red, green, but the sequence is red, green, blue. So red 21, and then green 2F, 21 2F, and then we have 36 RGB 36 with the hash symbol here. Then just move to next step. Set the background for the web page so that the image J2131bg.png is placed in only the top left corner of the window. Okay, background image, and this is the one image, and it should be repeat, no repeat, and X position left, Y position top. Then just click on apply. Okay, this is what they said about the body of the web page. Next step is to set the font for style H1, H2, and for the paragraph P, so the browser selects the display the font San Francisco. If not available, the browser will select Calibri. If neither of them, then sans serif font. So we'll do that. We'll just select this font, and here I'm just going to write one statement only, H1, and then font family. So the font family, the first one is Francisco, comma, if this is not available, then we have Calibri. For example, this one. Let me remove the rest from here. Yes, E1, this one, and then if not, then any sans serif font. Make sure these two is written in the speech mark because it is name of two different code with a space here. Then after you just need to close the bracket for it. That's it. And then bracket close. Fine. After this now, this must be for H1, H2, H3 and for paragraph as they have mentioned here. H1, 2, 3 and paragraph. Then after set the paragraph style so that text is justified with a 12 point. So paragraph here I'm just going to write, for example, text a line, then justify, and it must be 12 point. And we just write here font size 12 pt points, then a semicolon, and the text color, we leave the text color. So next is to right align the table in the browser window. So we need to right align the table. So and we don't need any border for the table because they have said no table border. The rest is perfect. And then we just need to use here for the table. Yes. So we just need to even this one should be 0 pixels. And here I'm going to mention that left margin or margin left, sorry. So margin left is auto, so it will be now towards the from the left side it will leave the margin. So that's it what we need. We are done with it now. So just properly arrange your style sheet. So when you take a screenshot of it, everything is clearly visible, just like that. And next step is to add your name, center number, candidate number as a comment and the end of the style sheet. So here I'm just going to write with the backslash, then a star, then my name, center number, candidate number, and then after a star and backslash. Just like this. This is done. Move forward. They ask us to take a screenshot of your style sheet. So print screen, go to your evidence document, and this is your evidence number 2. Paste it and then you crop it because we don't need the unnecessary part of the picture. So we just need the content and the style sheet name, just like this. Save this one. And then they mention display the web page in your web browser if necessary, resize so that all the page can be seen, all text can be read easily, the address bar is visible and the background image is fully visible, right? We'll click on save here and click on save here. So here I have the web page already. So this is how it look like now. After arranging everything, this is how it looked like. And then we need to resize as well, like I just want to go in such a way so that when I take a screenshot, all the contents are clearly visible. So no scrolling, nothing. You just need to adjust this one. So after resizing, you can just move your window like this so that all the contents are clearly visible, just like this. And then click on print screen and paste it into your evidence document as evidence number 3. Paste it and then you just crop the unnecessary part of the image. That's it. And then maximize it so the contents are clearly visible. That's it. And here they said display the HTML source in the editor. So get the code, Control A, then Control C, and then just paste it as evidence number 4. 4, paste it, and that's it. So this is what we have from the web page part of the question paper, and then we need to print our evidence document as well, and that's all from the web page part. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have learned how to deal with the web page and style sheet and how to arrange their width and size. So thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.